Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. In this video we'll re-unbox technically speaking, because it's open. I checked the box, I checked the package, everything was good, everything was fine, so I'm making this video now. From the title you might have already know what's inside this box. So yeah, I bought this from Vijaya sales. I got it for very cheap. So yeah, let's unbox. So this is the box in which the package came. Royalty, right? You open the box and this box comes out. Let me keep this aside. Macbook Air. This is the 2020 model M1, not the Intel. There are already millions of videos of MacBook Air unboxing, but I bought it now, so I thought I'll unbox it again for my channel. So yeah, this is what I have is 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD, which according to my research will be completely fine for my use. So if you are a heavy user, you might opt for a 16 gig variant, 512 GB. That will cost you around 20,000 more, so depending on your budget. So the MRP on the box is written as 92,900, which is 93,000, but I got this one for 83,900, and on top of that I got a discount on HDFC card, 6,000 cashback. So let's unbox this. So let me tell you some physical or specifications of this. This is the 2020 MacBook Air M1, which has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage. So this is how this comes. So one thing I want to mention about Apple's packaging, every single thing feels so premium. Like when you hold Apple's products, or even this packet, this has such a good quality packet, plastic. Other laptops or other phones you unbox, you feel cheap, but this doesn't feel cheap. Let me try to do the ASMR, if I can get this. Oops. I'm sorry guys, I don't have a lot of space here, so I'll have to make do with what I have. So this is the laptop. Let me keep this aside for a while. Here's the booklet which nobody reads. I'm just interested in this. This is cool because you get the same color as your laptop. You don't get a common color. If you get a rose gold laptop MacBook, you'll get a rose gold sticker. If you get a silver one, you'll get a silver one. Mine is space gray, so I got a space gray one. And all the boring stuff, user guide and whatever that is. So let me keep this aside. By the way, let me know in the comments if anybody has ever used this instead of putting it in a car, using it somewhere else, because I have seen many people who just stick these in their car windshields, or you know what I'm saying. So yeah, this is the charging cable. very long charging cable. You know, you'll never have any problem or any issues when you're charging with this, because this is so long. You can let me dare to say this, you can also roam around while charging with this.
Stop it. Get some help.
Charging with this, look at this, it's like a slingy. Yeah, this is a charger. So yeah, 30 watts, I guess. So this is the charger. I will mention the technical details in the video. So yeah, this is type C. MacBook is type C, so no lightning port. There's nothing else inside the box, but look at the quality, man. Apple does a great job in, you know, making you feel like premium or whatever. So I won't make you wait any more longer. Let me come to the product which you guys have come to see. So yeah, this is the laptop. There are 2 ports, just 2 ports. You don't have any other ports in this laptop. There are some pros and cons here regarding that. I'll let you guys know in the full review coming soon. And yeah, nothing else, just a 3.5mm audio jack. And yeah, this laptop looks so sleek, you know. I was carrying this with a book, and I almost took the book and I kept this thinking that was my MacBook and this was the book. You know, it's so damn thin and so damn light. It's just 1.3 kgs. So yeah, I have already set this up, so you'll see my name on my account. I'll try to blur it out. Yeah, see, one more thing I'd like to mention: MacBook hinges. You must have known this from many other YouTubers that Apple has worked on the hinges so much. Just look at this. Tell me any other laptop which can do this. You can lift this with one arm. So let me just, yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is the laptop. So yeah, awesome laptop. If you are planning on buying one, I would definitely recommend to get this right now when it's on deals and, you know, offers and whatnot. So yeah, normally you don't get such offers on Apple products, but yeah, I got this MacBook yesterday, which is the date would be 7th May 2022. Already had some updates. I did my updates and it's running very smooth, very fine. I really love this laptop. Battery life, I'd like to say, you know, brilliant. I'll show you one more time. This was just an unboxing video. See, super fast, super fast. You don't even have to wait. It's that fast. You open the MacBook and it's already there for you with all your work running in the background, which doesn't even consume any battery. I didn't charge yet the whole day yesterday, and I had around 50% charge. By the end of the day, I was left with 20% charge, and I used this laptop the whole afternoon from 3 o'clock to 6:30 watching videos on YouTube, Netflix. I was just testing the laptop, just seeing how this performs in day-to-day tasks. I also installed some of my softwares which I use. So the battery life, just in 1 day's use, it's brilliant. And today I charged it to 100%. I played some Asphalt games. It's just, see, the battery is still at 100%. If you can see, yeah, the the battery is at 100%. So yeah, anyways, full review definitely coming soon. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye. Peace.